Hey up guys, I'm at home now. You'll have seen me this morning on the pitch at Lincoln Volkswagen promoting their sales event, which is really, really good by the way. You can get yourself up to £1,000 off a car. Anyway, by the by, just wanted to bring you something that's a little sneaky peeky. Anyway, my mug's been all over the camera today, so I'm going to spin it around now because I just want to show you two things. Let's go. So not only am I on a course this week in Milton Keynes, so I go down to Milton Keynes tomorrow and I will be back up Wednesday. And that's the wind's just getting right and in the way, innit? Anyway, what I want to show you is a new shape Tiguan 2025 plate, right? 2025 plate. We'll give you a little tour of this and then just show you, if you didn't know already, a little bit of something I've been involved with this year. So Mile Deep, the detailing brand, I will tag them below. I've been an ambassador for 2025, still going obviously until the end of the year. And Jody, absolute legend, sent us out hoodies and some products. So you've seen the products at use already. They are ace. Got a hoodie, cool, love repping the brand, and if you can see on my actual t-shirts as well, I do have Mile Deep as a logo. But again, just want to bring along a Tiguan as well. So if you guys haven't seen one, a new style one, watch the Mile Deep hoodie. Just there you go, some Harry Potter stuff there. Hoodie be gone. Anyway, let's have a little tour of this. We can mix a couple of videos into one. So it is only a pretty base spec one. It doesn't matter at all. And there's the back of it. So I'm just showing you guys. These are very, very nice cars indeed. And we'll go inside because, like my Golf, because I've got a Golf myself, it's got a very big screen, and there's the dash setup. Pretty cool. And there's the center console there. You've got all your cup holders. That's a bit funky. That's all touchscreen as well, that is. And we've got the gear knob. Not sure what to think about the gear knob, but it's the same in the IDs as well. We've even got fabric on the dash. Pretty cool, right? And then we'll show you the back. If you're thinking about buying one, guys, again, you can get £1,000 off. You have to press the button twice. Oh, it's locked itself. Anywho, I have got the key in my pocket, so the key looks like the new style Volkswagen key. So we can unlock it. And I'll get you in the back now. So again, this is only a base spec one, but still pretty cool. So on higher spec ones, you'll have USB-C ports. This is just to show you, there you've got some speakers in the door as well. The boot's pretty big, guys. Ignore the stuff that I've got in there ready for my course. And there it is. So let me know what you think in the comments, guys, of the new shape Tiguan. I think they're pretty nice. And this is a 1.5 ETSI as well, guys. 150 ponies under the bonnet of that one. So it's ETSI as well, which means mild hybrid. So it's not quite a full hybrid system. It's got a 48 volt system, giving it a little nudge, helping it along, you know, making that miles per gallon higher, which is what we want, isn't it, guys? We want a bit more out of our money. One last look at the Tiguan. The Mile Deep hoodie that the wind's decided wants to be on the floor. Anyway, guys, have a fantastic time. And if you do see me in Milton Keynes, give us a nudge, give us a nod, give us a wave, whatever. Come and chat to me. I'm a friendly face. I'm actually a friendly person. I'm probably more shy than you. I'm like a spider. I'm more scared of you than you are of me. Anyway, guys, have an amazing weekend. See you in a bit.